Click on the link below to get price. The AmScope 3.5X 180X Simul-Focal Stereo Lockable Zoom Microscope is an exceptional tool for both amateur enthusiasts and professional researchers. Its versatility and high-quality optics provide a superior viewing experience, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from hobbyist projects to intricate scientific investigations. One of the standout features of this microscope is its impressive zoom range. With magnification from 3.5X to 180X, it allows users to examine specimens in great detail without sacrificing clarity. The Simul-Focal design ensures that both eyepieces maintain focus simultaneously, which is especially useful for collaborative work or educational settings where multiple users are observing the same specimen. The build quality of the AmScope microscope is robust and durable. The metal frame feels solid, and the focus knobs operate smoothly, providing precise adjustments. This stability is crucial for maintaining focus during extended observation sessions, particularly at higher magnifications. The locking mechanism is another practical feature, ensuring that once you've found the perfect focal point, it stays securely in place. Included with the microscope is a fiber optic ring light, which enhances illumination and allows for optimal viewing of transparent, opaque, and reflective specimens. The adjustable brightness is a significant advantage, enabling users to adapt to various lighting conditions and achieve the best possible image quality. Setting up the microscope is straightforward, and the user manual is clear and concise, making it accessible even for those new to microscopy. The eyepieces provide a comfortable viewing experience, reducing eye strain during prolonged use. Overall, the AmScope 3.5X 180X Simul-Focal Stereo Lockable Zoom Microscope combines quality, functionality, and ease of use in a single package. It is an excellent investment for anyone looking to explore the microscopic world, offering a balance of performance and affordability that can satisfy both casual users and serious researchers alike. Whether for educational purposes, hobbyist exploration, or professional analysis, this microscope proves to be a valuable asset.